Guys, I'm getting ready to go on a backpacking camping trip, and I thought I'd show you the preparations. You're going to want a backpacking backpack, not just a day pack backpack. This is a good one, but it won't hold as much stuff as this one. I like to spread a tarp out and just put all the stuff I'm going to use on that. For me, the worst part about backpack camping is sleeping on the hard ground. This is an air mattress. It had good ratings. It was like 27 bucks. Need a sleeping bag. This is a 0-degree sleeping bag. It will get cold. It probably won't get that cold. That's the lightest sleeping bag, so I want to take that one anyway. A tent. I think technically it says it's a 4-person. It's for like 4 kids. A water bladder. Snacks. Shoes, socks, rain gear, coat, toiletries, first aid kit, swimming stuff, hat. You should get one of these. Change of clothes, sunscreen, bug repellent, flashlight, travel Kleenex, a green laser pointer. Helps you point out stars. Plastic Ziploc bag, it's a good way to pack stuff, and then they're conveniently grouped together in your backpack. Plate, bowl, that could probably work for both. Cup, expandable, and silverware. There we go. A rag, don't forget the toilet paper. A book to read, and hopefully won't weigh too much. Chair. Let's see what we can fit in the backpack. Cram our sleeping bag down here. The main compartment. We have another one. Inside that, there's another one. And there are pockets on the sides and straps on the sides. Let's go with the clothes next. If you don't have your own equipment, you can always do what I did and borrow from friends. Just make sure you take good care of it. Let's see what we've got. Maybe I'll put the jacket in this. We have another zip compartment. Oh, that's a side access to the main area. Never mind. Let's see about the tent. Almost forgot my pillows. We got the tent on that side. Retention strap. All right. Strap the chair to the side. Now for the acid test. 167. Holy cow. 7 miles with this. All right. 212. That is a 45-pound backpack. And that doesn't even have water in it yet. I'm not sure how it's going to go tomorrow, but I will let you know. If you haven't had the opportunity to go backpacking with your dad, come along vicariously with me, and we'll see how it goes. And remember, you got a dad that loves you, and I'll see you on the next video.